Aray ko, no, not my ears. My mouth. Check my mouth. Check my mouth. Ah. Check my eyes. Look at my eyes. Where's your eyes? How about your eyes? Where's your eyes? No, don't do it to your eyes. Where's your mouth? Yeah. How about your elbows? Elbows. Where are your elbows? Elbows. Good. How about your tummy? Where's your tummy? Can you show mommy your tummy? Ew, that's a big tummy. How about your feet? Where's your feet? Oh, galing. Feet. How about your fingers? Show mommy your fingers, please. Fingers. Oh, that's your fingers. How about your tongue? Show me your tongue. How about your chin? Where's your chin? Where's your chin? Your chin. Oh, yeah, that's your feet. How about your chin? Where's your chin? How about your neck? Where's your neck? Where's your neck? Can you show me your neck? That's not your neck. That's your tongue. Where's your neck, baby? Baby, where's your neck? Baby. Where's your armpit? Where's your armpit? No, don't eat it. Where's your armpit? Where's your armpit, baby? Be. Show me your... That's your armpit. Yeah, baho. How about your neck? Where's your neck? Oh, that's your neck. How about your teeth? Can you show your teeth? How about your hair? Can you touch your hair? Good. How about your cheeks? Cheeks. Where are your cheeks? Cheeks. Asan na yung cheeks mo, baby? Baby. Show mommy your cheeks, baby. Cheeks. Mommy's cheeks? How about your cheeks? Baby's cheeks. Baby's cheeks. Where's your... Okay, ayog na. Eyes. How about your eyes? No, not my tongue. See? How about your potato? Where's your potato? Show your potato. Where's your potato? Aray ko. Aray ko, not mom. Where's your potato? Asan knees mo? Knees mo, baby. Aray ko. Ayaw na. Ayaw mo na. Asan knees mo? Knees. Where's your potato? Where are your knees, baby? Baby, what are you doing to mommy? No, not my legs. Asan yung potato mo? Potato. Mommy's knees. Hug na lang. Ayaw mo na.